Ever wondered how a 400-ton jet flies itself while pilots relax, 35,000 feet up, hundreds of passengers, screaming across the sky? I barely touch the controls. Sounds like sci-fi? It isn't. This is the world of modern autopilot, the system that can fly a plane more precisely than a human ever could. Today, we're going behind the cockpit doors to see how computers, sensors, and electronics keep a jet in the sky, even when pilots are hands-off. Let's start with a basic question. What is an autopilot? Despite the Hollywood myth of flying robots, an autopilot is essentially a sophisticated feedback control system. It's a network of sensors, computers, and actuators, constantly measuring the plane's state and making tiny corrections to keep it on course. Let's kill the myth. Not a robot pilot. Feedback control system. Sensors measure the plane's state. Computers compare it to what we want. Actuators move the surfaces to fix any difference. Primary flight control. Roll, pitch, yaw. The autopilot doesn't just steer, it adjusts ailerons, elevators, and rudders hundreds of times per second to keep attitude tight. GPS. Inertial navigation. Radio beacons. The brain. The flight management system. Route, speeds, altitudes. It calculates the path and tells the autopilot exactly what to do. For a computer to fly, it needs eyes and ears. AHRS orientation, airspeed, altitude, temperature, pressure. INS tracks movement with gyros and accelerometers when GPS drops or signals get messy. Think oceans and remote regions. ILS, VOR lock us onto airwaves. Every second, the system ingests hundreds of inputs and reacts in milliseconds. If a gust hits, it's already correcting before I even feel it. Sensing is nothing without action. Ailerons roll the wings. Elevators set nose up or down. Rudder trims yaw. Flaps. Spoilers reshape lift and drag when we're landing or riding bumps. The autopilot sends precise electrical signals to hydraulic or electric actuators, tiny, rapid moves that make the jet feel like it's on rails, even in turbulence. Levels matter: heading, altitude, climb. Flight director draws guidance bars I can follow by hand. Full LNAV, VNAV flies the route and vertical profile on its own. Autoland, line up, flare, touchdown, managing throttles, flaps, gear, even crosswinds while I supervise. Safety is everything, so redundancy is everywhere. Triple redundant computers, redundant sensors vote out a bad one, and cross-checks run non-stop. A tap disengages autopilot. I take over instantly. Wind shear, sudden turbulence. Autopilot fights faster than any human. Humans still matter. A lot. I program the FMS, brief the plan, monitor every phase, handle the unexpected. Bird strikes, engine issues, weather drama. Autopilot doesn't replace pilots. It multiplies what we can do.